Nomenclature of organic compounds, more than one functional group. In a given molecule, if more than one functional group is there, how to write the IUPAC name? For that, you have to learn prefix and suffixes. Suppose carboxylic acid, COOH group is there. As a suffix, it is oic acid, but prefix is carboxy. Prefix is carboxy. Then one more name is there, carboxylic acid. When we are taking this carboxylic acid, whenever it is not considered in the long chain, generally cycloalkanes. Suppose here COOH is there. So where we are giving the numbering 1, we are not giving the number 1 to carboxylic acid because only functional group is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here this name is taken as carboxylic acid, cyclopentane carboxylic acid, cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Suppose COOH is like this, CH3, then here 1, 2, 1 is there, that's why ethanoic acid, oic acid suffix. Okay, whenever it is covered in the long chain, that time oic acid. When it is not included in the long chain, that time we are taking as carboxylic acid. COOH as a substituent is there, as a substituent. I will give you one example here. 3 conditions. One is CH3, CH2, COOH. So here the COOH is covering. So what is the name here? Propane oic acid. In last E I am not writing. Propane oic acid. Take care, here the oic acid is the suffix. Next, one more example, COOH. What is the numbering here? We are giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cyclopentane, cyclopentane carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid. You should not write oic acid, cyclopentane oic acid, it's not. Okay, oic acid when we are writing, whenever it is included in the long chain. Whenever it is not included in the long chain, we are writing carboxylic acid. Okay, next name is what? Carboxy. Suppose if it is there, COOH, then this is also COOH. So in this case, what is the numbering? What is the long chain here? The long chain is 1, 2, 3. So if there is no COOH, then our name will be propane dioic acid, 1, 3 dioic acid. Propane 1, 3 dioic acid. But here carboxylic acid, one more carboxylic acid is there. Propane, you can write this E also, propane 1, 3 dioic acid. Okay, maximum covered. But what about this COOH? The COOH name is here, we are taking as substituent, that is 2-carboxy. 2-carboxy. We tried maximum to cover this COOH, but it is not possible. Okay, this is the naming. COOH, C variation. If it is included in the ring, oic acid. If it is not included in the ring, that time carboxylic acid. And here one is included, one is not included. In that case, carboxy. Okay, these 3 names you have to learn. Next, sulfonic acid. The prefix is sulfo, suffix is sulfonic acid. For anhydride, oic acid. Then for ester, alkyl alkanoate, already we learned this. Then again in cyclic compounds, we are taking this alkyl carboxylate, that is carboxylic acid. Now here carboxylate, this is for cyclo compounds. Now as a prefix, alkoxycarbonyl, okay, alkoxycarbonyl. Next acid halide, oil halide, generally oil chloride we discussed. Next as a prefix, haloformyl, then suffix is carbonyl halide. ये कब लिखना है, ये साइक्लो के लिए, इन साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स, एलिसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. देन अमाइड के लिए तो अमाइड है. देन एज ए प्रीफिक्स कार्बामाइल, ओके. in cyclic compounds, again in cyclic compound this is carboxamide, okay. So like this, cyanide के लिए nitrile, already we learned this, okay. Next cyanide as a substituent name is cyano, the prefix. But in cyclic compound carbonitrile, again carbonitrile. Then isocyanide के लिए isonitrile, prefix isocyano. For aldehyde as a prefix oxo, suffix is al. Ketone same, oxo, suffix is on. Then many times we will get it this OH. The OH is hydroxy as a substitution means that is prefix. Next alcohol, ol, suffix. Then thioalcohol, mercapto, thiol. Then amino-amine, this OR, alkoxy, there is no suffix for this alkoxy. Not only OR and NO2 and halogens, these are not having any suffix, only prefix is there, okay. Right, now how to use this? See the first compound, some functional groups such as all halo groups, फ्लोरो, ब्रोमो, आइडो, दिस हैलोजन के लिए हैलो, नाइट्रोसोल, NO, N2, these are not having suffix name, okay. In this case what to do, how to give the preference? We have to follow that alphabetical order, okay, alphabetical order we have to follow. Next, whenever more than one functional group is there, see this is the order of functional group IUPAC. Suppose carboxylic acid and amide is there. Obviously carboxylic acid is the first preference, then aldehyde and this is the order of preference also. Order of preference, okay. So some example is there. Suppose you are getting OH and NH2, which is the more preferred? OH is more preferred than the NH2. Suppose aldehyde and alcohol is there, obviously aldehyde position is somewhere here, so aldehyde is major preference than alcohol. So this order, same order you have to learn. For this one hint I can give you, in general multiple bonds is more preferred. How multiple bonds? Suppose carboxylic, two things you have to remember. One is multiple bonds. The second preference is acid strength, okay. So suppose carboxylic acid is the more, carboxylic acid strength is more. Of course sulfonic acid is there, again don't tell about that. We have to follow, this is just one logic. See, this carbon attached with 3 bonds, multiple bonds here, means here number of oxygen also you can see, oxygen containing number of oxygens. See, aldehyde is there, aldehyde and carboxylic acid. Obviously carboxylic acid has C double bond O, but here oxygen is there, so is the first preference. And acidic strength, if you see, acidic strength also decreasing, carboxylic acid is more. If you take alcohol and NH2, so alcohol is more acidic than the NH2. Okay, if you take aldehyde and ketone, aldehyde and ketone में aldehyde is more acidic than the ketone. So this logic you can follow, maximum easy होता है. Next, numbering, the principal chain order is principal functional group, then double bond, then triple bond, then substituents. Okay, substituents में halogen is there, alkyl is there, alphabetical order. Now you see here first example. What is the main functional group here? 2 functional groups are there. One is carboxylic acid and ketone is there. One is carboxylic acid, the other one is ketone. So which is the more preference? Carboxylic acid is the more preference. So where we have to give the number 1? Number 1 is goes to carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for but, okay, sub single bond N, then carboxylic acid, oic acid. Now prefix is the third position, keto is there. What is that? 3-oxo butanoic acid. You can see here 3-oxo butanoic acid. Here aldehyde and ketone is there. Obviously aldehyde get number 1, total 5 carbons. So pentanol, first of all, pentanol over. Now here substituent, what is the position? 4th position, C double bond O, that means oxo, 4-oxo pentanol. Okay, like this you can give the numbering. Now the longest possible chain of carbon atom containing the functional group, the maximum number of multiple bond is selected as parent chain. Okay, first of all functional group should be covered, उसके बाद multiple bonds should be covered. See here, functional group number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5 multiple bonds are there. Suppose here one more methyl is there, then also we have to give the preference here only. Parent chain contains 4 rather than 6 carbons. Where is that 6 carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next see here, it is amide functional group. So number 1, then number 2, 3, 4 इधर भी दे सकते हैं, उधर भी दे सकते हैं, मैं तो 4. Okay, then if I go here 3 and 4, but this side is more substituents are there. Okay, see here one more possibility is there. I can give 3 and 4. Yes, 3 and 4, but here on the third position 2 methyl substituents are there, more substituents are there. That's why this numbering is preferred than this. Now after selecting long chain, total 4 carbons, but amide single bond, first of all, butane, amide, butanamide. So just you cut it E. Here substituents. What is the position? On the third position, two methyl groups are there. Here second position, total ethyl is there. This is the one substituent, this is the one substituent, this total is one substituent. Okay, in the substituent here you can take as a isopropyl, also you can take isopropyl, or you can give the numbering again 1 2. Okay, whenever in the substitution one more substituent is there, we have to take the bracket. Okay, first of all here 3, 3 dimethyl. So 3, 3 dimethyl. Okay, next on the second position isopropyl is there. You can write second isopropyl, or you can give the numbering. Two chances. If you give the numbering, again the long chain attached carbon should get number 1 1 2 2 carbon, that means ethyl. On the first carbon methyl group is there, that's why 1 methyl ethyl, this is the substitution over. Then word root, function group. You can see here 3, 3 dimethyl, 2 bracket start 1 methyl ethyl butanamide, right? Next, fourth, if more than one same chain terminating groups are present, then the principal chain is selected including the functional groups, and numbering is done from that side, which gives the lowest locant to unsaturation substituent. Okay, now see here dioic acid. In the last class already we discussed butane 1, 4 dioic acid. Here terminal position same, but here methyl group is there, that's why numbering should started from left to right. Okay, 2 methyl 5 carbons pentane, nitrile group is there, functional group 2 are there, so dinitrile. Okay, 1, 5 numbering we should write it. See, first of all 5 carbons are there, so pent, so sub single bond, so ane, pentane. The functional group is nitrile, so 2 nitriles are there, so dinitrile 1, 5 dinitrile, 1, 5 dinitrile. The substituent is here 2 methyl. Okay, next write IUPAC name of this given compound. You can select the main functional group is cyanide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum 7 carbon chain is there. So hept, 7 carbon is there, hept. Next functional group is there nitrile. So hept single bond is there, that's why ane, then nitrile. In this case E you can write because there is no oval problem, kuch nahi hai. Heptane nitrile 50% name over. Now substituent on the third position, ethyl is there. On the third position ethyl is there. On the fifth position methyl is there, और बस इतना ही है. So alphabetical order 3 ethyl 5 methyl. Okay, 3 ethyl 5 methyl. This is the substituent, word root, suffix. Your name done. Like this you can write all the compounds names. Nomenclature of aromatic compounds in the next class you can discuss.